How to cook perfect rice using a microwave. All you need is a microwave safe bowl and a plate to cover. I have 2 cups of rice here. First is wash your rice with cold water to get rid of the starch and the dirt. You might have to repeat this process a few times until the water becomes clear. Drain the water from the bowl. Then, using the cup that you measure your rice, add 2 cups of water, the same equal amount as your rice. Cover it with a plate and don't worry if there is excess water on the top. Place it in the microwave. I'm using 800 watt of microwave here. Set your time for 12 minutes and start and wait for the rice to cook. Fast forward. So here it is coming. Check. Let's check. Oh, it's hot. So perfect rice in 12 minutes using a microwave. Sawadee ka, Chris Crown. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you.